Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by inspecting the lid and silicone gasket for tears because a good seal preserves temperature and prevents leaks. Once done, rinse the mug with hot water to remove residues, then preheat it by pouring in about 1/2 cup of hot water and let sit for 2 minutes. This reduces heat loss. After draining, pour your beverage slowly to avoid splashes. Make sure to check the recommended max temperature for any plastic components so you don't warp them. Next, align the lid tabs with the mug threads and twist until you feel resistance, then give a firm quarter turn to lock the seal. This prevents spills. Once locked, open the drinking spout or straw port and confirm the stopper clicks into place so you have a controlled pour or sip. If you plan to carry the mug, keep it upright and use a secure cup holder. Also, be mindful of pressure changes during flights. Loosen slightly if you hear expansion noises. To finish, disassemble the lid and remove the gasket so you can hand wash all parts with mild detergent and a soft brush. Then let everything air dry completely to prevent mold. For stubborn stains or odors, make a paste of baking soda and water, scrub gently, rinse, and dry. If the mug leaks despite cleaning, check the gasket for wear, replace it, or avoid filling above about 90% capacity. If you still have leaks, stop using until repaired to avoid spills and scalds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.